Hi, welcome to the MuTaLig Virtual Chemotheca tutorial. Only registered users can add their own compounds and/or their own data to existing compounds with a specific form that is hidden to guest users. Structures for uploaded compounds must be drawn with the embedded JSME editor. The user has to fill in 5 mandatory fields: a unique molecule identification code, which will help if other researchers contact the owner, who can see the compound all users are registered only. Whether the structure has been properly designed with respect to chirality and double bonds configuration. How the molecule will be derived, for example per compound, mixture of isomers, theoretical entries. The origin of the molecule, for example natural or synthetic. Fields C and D will be taken into account together for verifying the data coherence and to prevent low-quality information. It is possible to add other properties for each compound, such as melting point, water solubility, DMSO solubility, ethanol solubility. By using the corresponding menu, both experimental and theoretical information and references can be added. For experimental data, the user can choose different pharmacological activity, such as anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, or for example antiviral. The kind of action, agonist or antagonist, major kind, like IC25 or IC50, major unit, like for example molar or micromolar, otherwise the user can add more and different activity. For the theoretical activity, the user can apply supposed activity, like above. The ID-PDB code for the molecular target, the software used for the simulation, the scoring function, the score, and the related units. Finally, if the user has the reference, can insert one or more DOI code. This data can be included also for already available structures owned by different users. In this case, the new properties will be linked to the molecular structure, and a new ownership related to the corresponding information will be added. This is an example of how it's possible to join the compounds. The user can pass mol or SDF or SMILE code, a new window will appear. If the files were previously downloaded, the user can choose the input file, or pass the SMILE code and click on Accept, as shown here. It is necessary to will fill in all the required fields, and if the user no accessory fields, could insert this data. Finally, clicking on Upload will appear the success confirmed with a Chemotheca identity code for the new compound. If you have any questions about the MuTaLig Virtual Chemotheca, don't hesitate to email us.